What does juicing do for your body? Well, juicing involves extracting the liquid from fruits and vegetables to create a concentrated drink. Here are some potential benefits and considerations associated with juicing. 1. Nutrient intake. Benefits. Juicing can be a convenient way to increase your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables. It allows you to consume a variety of produce in a concentrated form. Considerations. Juicing removes fiber, which is an essential component of whole fruits and vegetables. While you get concentrated nutrients, you miss out on the digestive benefits of fiber. 2. Hydration. Benefits. Juices can contribute to your daily fluid intake, helping to keep you hydrated, especially if you find it challenging to drink plain water. Considerations. Juices can be high in natural sugars, so it's important to balance them with water to avoid excessive sugar intake. 3. Detoxification. Benefits. Some people use juicing as part of a short-term detox or cleanse. The high intake of nutrients may support the body's natural detoxification processes. Considerations. The concept of detox can be subjective, and the body has its own built-in mechanisms for detoxification. It's important to approach cleanses with caution and consult with a healthcare professional. 4. Weight management. Benefits. Juicing may be a low-calorie way to increase nutrient intake, potentially supporting weight management goals. Considerations. Liquid calories from juices can add up quickly, and relying solely on juices for weight loss is not recommended. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet. 5. Increased energy. Benefits. Some individuals report feeling increased energy and vitality when incorporating fresh juices into their diet, possibly due to improved nutrient intake. Considerations. Individual responses can vary, and the overall quality of one's diet plays a significant role in energy levels. 6. Digestive health. Benefits. The removal of fiber in juicing allows for easier digestion and absorption of nutrients, which may be beneficial for individuals with digestive issues. Considerations. While it can be gentler on the digestive system, the absence of fiber may impact regular bowel movements. It's important to include fiber in your diet from other sources. 7. Antioxidant boost. Benefits. Juices can be rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and support overall health. Considerations. Variety is key. Including a diverse range of fruits and vegetables ensures a broad spectrum of antioxidants. 8. Convenience. Benefits. Juicing provides a convenient way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables, especially for those who may find it challenging to eat them whole. Considerations. Juicing requires equipment and can be time-consuming. Cleanup and storage of fresh produce should also be considered. It's important to note that while juicing can offer some benefits, it should not replace whole fruits and vegetables in your diet. A balanced and varied diet that includes a mix of whole foods, along with mindful juicing, can contribute to overall health. Additionally, individual responses to juicing can vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist is advisable, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions.